Hello, my friends. I'm sorry that I have a meeting today, but luckily I was able to record this video so you do not have to miss out on your learning. Woohoo! So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to stretch these vowels out, and once I do, I want you to echo me. I want you to repeat, okay? A apple, a. E, ad, eh. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Hope you are ready to practice your trick words. Remember, trick words are the words that we just have to know in our brains and we have to remember them. We can't tap out trick words. So, what is this word? Of. What is this word? His. What is this word? Is. What is this word? And. What is this word? What is this word? The. For the next part of our lesson, I am going to build words up on my letterboard. I know that you don't have your letterboards today, but that's all right. I'm going to build a word and I want you to tap it out and read the word. Let's see. Here is the first word. At bat. What happens if I change the B to an F? What is this word? We changed it from bat, now F says F, so we made fat. At, fat. What happens if I take away the F? Ooh, this one might be tricky. No way, I bet everyone knows that at, sat. I hope that you are tapping along if you are unsure of the sounds. What happens if I take away the middle vowel? I need to put another vowel in. I need to put another pink card in. I'm going to pick the I. What sound does the I make? I. So this is s, it, sit. Now let's see. I'm going to put the consonant Z there. What sound does Z make? Z, z, it, zit. Let's see who has the skills. Who can tap this out? B, it, bit. How about this one? It, hit. How would I change this into hits? How would I change this word into hits? She hits the ball. I already have hit. I wonder, hits. It, oh, I know. It's an S. Hits. She hits the ball. All right, and for our last activity before you head off to work on something independently, we're going to be reading a story. The title of this story is called Codfish. Cod is a type of fish. Jack had a net to get a codfish for Jed the cat. Jack had a net to get a codfish for Jed the cat. Remember, when we do our scoops, that is how we practice our fluency. So we would read it, Jack had a net to get a codfish for Jed the cat. Let's continue reading. Jack sat on a rock with his net. Jack sat on a rock with his net. Jed sat on a log. Jack had the luck. Oh, he was so lucky. He was quick with the net. He got the codfish. Jed had a dish of fish. Yum. Give me a me too if you like fish. Some of us do and some of us don't, but I do like fish. So now your task is going to be to complete a cut and sort, a cut and paste sort. So we've been practicing with the vowel A and the vowel A. So we've been practicing with A and with A. Now it's your turn. You are going to go and complete the cut and sort. So first step is to go through and to cut out all of these words. Your second step is to sort them. Do they have a short A? Do they have A? Or do they have a short O? Ah. After you go through and you sort them, you can use a glue stick to go ahead and paste it on. When you're finished with that, you can go on to Lexia. If you have any questions, just ask your teacher what to do. I will see you later or tomorrow, my friends.